Most people believe learning is slow by default. New language, years, instrument, a decade, coding, basically forever. But here's the uncomfortable truth. That belief is completely wrong. The fastest learners in the world aren't smarter. They're not more gifted. They don't work harder. They use 3 simple rules that slash learning time by up to 80%. Once you see them, you can't unsee them. And after this video, you'll never learn the same way again. Chapter 1. The Secret 20%. The first rule sounds almost insultingly simple. Most people fail at learning because they try to learn everything. Every grammar rule, every chord, every framework. But here's what fast learners understand. Most information is useless. Every skill hides a pattern. Just 20% of the knowledge creates 80% of the results. The rest is noise. Take guitar. There are thousands of chords, but master just 4, and you can play most popular songs. Slow learners spend months memorizing obscure chords they'll never use. Fast learners learn those 4 chords and start playing real music within weeks. The key question is brutal, but powerful. What's the minimum I need to get real results? Find that 20%. Ignore everything else until it's mastered. Chapter 2. The Drill Down Method. Once you know what matters, here's how fast learners practice. Most people rehearse the entire skill again and again, hoping improvement magically shows up. Fast learners do the opposite. They isolate the weakest link and attack only that. Example, public speaking. If your audience zones out, don't practice full speeches. Drill down. Is it eye contact? Practice holding eye contact for 30 seconds. Is it body language? Stand in front of a mirror and work only on gestures. Once one piece becomes automatic, you layer it back into the whole skill. That's why some people improve at terrifying speed. They're not practicing more. They're practicing exactly what matters. Chapter 3. See one, do one, teach one. This rule comes straight from medical schools. It's called see one, do one, teach one. Here's how it works. First, see it. Watch someone perform the skill. No pausing, no notes, just observe. Second, do it immediately. No, I'll practice later. You try it right away, mistakes included. Third, teach it to a friend, to your phone camera, to an imaginary audience. The moment you explain something, your brain is forced to organize it at a deeper level. You're no longer consuming information, you're encoding it. Real-world example. Learning to code? Watch a tutorial on if statements. Immediately write your own. Explain out loud what each line does and why it works. That's it. Simple, uncomfortable, ridiculously effective. Here's the system fast learners use. Find the critical 20%. Drill the weakest piece. See it. Do it. Teach it. That's how people learn in weeks what others struggle with for years. But there's one problem. You can learn fast and still forget everything. Most people lose 90% of new information within days. That's why I made a video breaking down the exact system I use to remember everything I learned long term. Watch that next. Your future self will thank you.